What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going over our 3 modifications made to the bed of our 2022 F150 Power Boost. Let's check it out. All right, the first thing you guys are going to see here is our tri-fold hardcover low profile tonneau cover here from Rough Country. This thing folds up really nicely all the way to the back. This is not the flip back where it blocks the back here, but it does fold up enough to where you can get mountain bikes and things like that in here and lay over the tailgate if you have one of the Yakima pads. I'll do a video on that here later. I think it looks great. All right, guys, so the tonneau cover, you got the pull straps here. Pull strap. So that's how much of the bed you got left. I want to say it takes about 1.5 feet away or so of room here in the bed, but you still got quite a bit of room underneath here if you needed to. If you guys had mountain bikes or something like that, we've already done this. We have a Yakima pad we put over the tailgate, and there's plenty of room to get the bikes back here. The rear wheel just about touches the back of this, but easily be able to get bikes back here if you need to. It takes about 15 minutes or so to probably remove this. We haven't done that yet, but it just unscrews it 4 different places here in the back. Next thing you guys are going to see here is the Rhino liner we had put in. You can see really nice details. They got every little bit covered in this Rhino liner. They took all the panels off when they did it. Looks really nice, really clean. So we just got back from a camping trip. We had mountain bikes back here. We had gear, everything else. I did have to wash it out. It was obviously filthy, but it cleaned up really nice. You can see there's barely any scratches or anything on this thing. Still looks brand new. If you guys went and got the factory liners, you're going to see overspray everywhere. As you guys can see, all of these panels were all removed. You can see all the lighting was removed to get the Rhino liner in. The panels around the electrical panel, really nice detailing there with the Rhino liner all the way to the back. There are some drains back here. You can see those little cords coming down for the tonneau cover to help the drainage there along the tracks. But guys, it's all in the details. If you guys had the factory do the spray, it looks terrible. It costs a couple $100 more. I would definitely go with a private shop to get it done. All right, guys, so the next thing we'll talk about here is the 2 swing cases we had put in. These are just short of $200 a piece. It's about $40 a piece to have them put in. You guys could easily put them in yourselves if you wanted to. I wouldn't just have the shop that did my Rhino liner put it in for me since they had the pieces. So taking a closer look at these, you do have locks that go down here to prevent anyone from moving the case. Really easy release right here. These guys have a lock here at the top. Pop it open. We got some fuses for our trailer in the truck in here. Got an air compressor and our battery jump starter down there. These things can hold about 75 pounds is what they say a piece. We'll talk about this one here in a second. It's a little weighted down with a bottle jack. But then again, see, if you guys did have the power boost here, you still have access to all your plugs and your 30 amp back here. And if you needed to, these things pop out really easily. Just like that, we pop it right out. So you still have access to everything. Pretty easy to put back in as well. All right, so like I said, this one is actually pretty weighted down. So we'll pull this one out. This one's probably right at max weight right now. Unlock the top here. So looking in, we got our bottle jack for our trailer. We've got a tire iron. We've got the wrench for the hitch back here. These are the locks that go on the outside of these to keep them from being stolen. Like I said, since we got this tonneau cover, we don't have those on. But even it weighted down, we'll lock it back up. You got to swing it a little harder than usual just because of the weight of it, but still hold up really nice. All right, there you guys have it. Our 3 modifications made to the bed of our 2022 F150 Power Boost. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one.